Humans look up at the night sky. We have always done this. We see countless stars, like tiny diamonds. A big question fills our minds then. Are we the only ones living in this vast universe? This thought is ancient, very old. It has followed us through all of human history. It whispers to us in our quiet moments. The universe is incredibly large, almost beyond imagining. Our curiosity about it is just as big. We have a deep, powerful yearning to know. Long ago, before our modern science, people told stories. These were stories of beings living on the moon, or perhaps strange visitors coming from other worlds. These were dreams, powerful myths, and fascinating legends. Then, much later, science fiction writers began to imagine them. They painted vivid pictures using only their words, pictures of strange creatures and far-off alien planets. These exciting stories fueled our collective imagination. They made us wonder even more about life out there. Eventually, scientists started to wonder too, in a more formal way. Could we actually listen for signals from them? This important idea became known as SETI. That stands for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. Brave scientists built very big radio dishes. They carefully pointed these sensitive dishes towards the stars. They were hoping to catch a faint whisper from space, a deliberate signal sent from very far away. A clear sign of someone else existing out there. This was a brand new kind of cosmic exploration. We didn't only listen for messages. We also tried to send a message ourselves. The famous Arecibo message was one such important attempt. It was sent from a truly giant radio telescope. The message itself was a simple picture, encoded and transmitted using radio waves. It showed our basic numbers and our DNA structure. It included a simple drawing of a human figure and our solar system. It was like a cosmic postcard sent into the void, a powerful symbol of our enduring hope to connect. Space is unimaginably incredibly big. Our human minds often struggle to truly grasp its scale. The stars we see are many light years away from us. That means their light takes many, many years to reach Earth. Even our closest star neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is very far indeed. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, contains billions of stars, and there are countless billions of other galaxies out there. The distances involved are truly astronomical, almost defeating description. A signal would travel for eons, for ages. Our current technology, while amazing, still has significant limits. Our fastest spacecraft are actually quite slow, very slow when you compare them to cosmic scales. Radio waves, which we use for signals, travel at light speed. That is the fastest speed possible in the universe. But space is vaster still than even light speed can conquer quickly. A message sent to a nearby star takes years to arrive. A reply, if one came, would take just as many years. Our current tools can only reach so far, see so much. We need new ways to see and to hear. So why is there this profound silence from the cosmos? Some scientists call this puzzle the Great Filter. Maybe life itself is a very rare thing in the universe, or perhaps intelligent life capable of technology is rarer still. It's also possible that advanced civilizations do not last very long. They might destroy themselves through conflict or misuse of resources. Or maybe, for reasons we can't guess, they choose to be quiet. These are big, sometimes unsettling questions for humanity. The silence itself is a deep cosmic puzzle. We search for answers in that vast quiet. Finding a faint distant signal is an incredibly hard task. It is often compared to finding one specific needle. But this needle is hidden in a truly cosmic haystack. There is so much natural radio noise in space. This noise comes from stars, from energetic quasars, and from entire galaxies. An alien signal would therefore need to be very strong, or it would have to be very cleverly designed to stand out. To be clearly artificial against the natural background, we need bigger cosmic ears and much smarter search methods. The universe whispers, we must learn how to listen better. Let us imagine for a moment. We actually receive a message from aliens. What would this amazing message say? More importantly, could we even begin to understand it? Aliens, if they exist, might think in very different ways. Their biology, their physical form, could be totally strange to us. Their senses might perceive reality in ways we cannot comprehend. What is simple and obvious to them might completely baffle us. True communication is always more than just an exchange of words. It depends on shared understanding and a shared context. Many scientists hope that mathematics is a universal language. They believe that 1 + 1 = 2 everywhere in the cosmos. Or is this just our human assumption? Maybe alien logic operates on different principles. Perhaps their way of seeing patterns is fundamentally alien to our minds. Language itself is incredibly complex. Even different human languages are very hard to translate accurately. An alien language could present a true, profound enigma, a cosmic puzzle with no clear starting point for us. So much of our human meaning is deeply cultural. It is tied to our planet Earth and to our shared history. Think of our art, our diverse music, our many stories. How could an alien civilization possibly understand these things? They would not know our particular sun in the sky, or our green trees, our vast blue oceans. Their own unique world would shape their thoughts and perceptions, just as our familiar world undeniably shapes ours. A message might contain raw data, but what about the deeper meaning? And what if they happen to pick up signals? We constantly leak radio and TV broadcasts into space, our television shows, our pop music, our news reports. These signals were certainly not meant for alien ears or eyes. They paint a very confusing, perhaps contradictory picture of humanity. Would they interpret our dramas as art, or as records of aggression? Understanding across such a gulf requires immense patience. It requires a genuine willingness to learn and adapt. This challenge applies to both sides of any potential cosmic conversation. We are constantly working to build better cosmic ears. New, advanced telescope arrays are becoming incredibly powerful. They can scan much wider patches of the sky than before. They do this with far greater sensitivity than ever imagined. The Allen Telescope Array in California is one such instrument. The Future Square Kilometer Array promises even more capability. These magnificent scientific instruments give us renewed, stronger hope. Hope of finally hearing something definitive from the stars, a faint, intelligent call from a distant, unknown star system. Our computers are also getting much smarter every year. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now helping us in the search. AI systems can sift through truly enormous mountains of data. They can do this much faster than human scientists ever could. AI algorithms are designed to look for unusual, non-random patterns. They search for signals that do not look like natural cosmic noise. This technological boost greatly increases our chances of detection. It's like having millions of tireless, keen-eared assistants, all of them listening carefully and continuously to the stars. Radio waves are not the only possible way to communicate. Scientists are actively thinking about other, innovative methods. What about using incredibly powerful laser pulses? These could send focused flashes of light across interstellar space. Or perhaps we could use tiny particles called neutrinos. Neutrinos are fascinating because they travel through almost anything. They could carry messages across vast, dusty cosmic distances. These bold ideas are on the cutting edge of research. We are exploring all possibilities to make contact. This grand quest to find others continues with passion. Scientists around the world are deeply dedicated to it. Organizations like the SETI Institute diligently persist in their work. Even private companies and philanthropists are joining the search effort. The fundamental desire to know is a powerful human driver. Are we truly alone in this immense universe? This single question propels us forward. The universe is vast and filled with countless wonders. Somewhere out there, perhaps another mind also wonders. That enduring hope keeps us looking up to the stars.